Hi all, welcome to another session from Naval Research. In this technical session, I'm going to focus basically the introduction to COSMO-RS and the applications, how COSMO-RS can be useful for various calculations. So speaking about COSMO-RS, conductor-like screening model for real solvents. In Amsterdam Modelling Suite, it is a powerful method for predicting thermodynamic properties of liquids and solutions from first principles. It combines quantum chemical calculations with the statistical thermodynamics to describe intermolecular interactions in fluids. So in AMS, basically COSMO-RS bridge molecular and electronic structure informations with microscopic properties, enabling accurate predictions without relying on extensive experimental data. In general, COSMO-RS workflow in AMS typically begins with the COSMO calculation using ADF engine. So this is actually the ADF engine where we can put the task of COSMO-RS compound. So this is actually the default settings. So each molecule is placed in a virtual conductor environment, and the surface polarization charge density or sigma surface is computed from DFT. So these sigma profiles encode how a molecule interacts electrostatically and through hydrogen bonding, and serving as the fundamental input for subsequent COSMO-RS calculations. So in the COSMO-RS step, the sigma profiles are used within a statistical thermodynamic framework to model pairwise surface interactions in liquids and mixtures. So AMS COSMO-RS can predict key thermodynamic properties such as activity coefficient, excess Gibbs energies, vapor liquid equilibria, liquid equilibria, solubilities, and partition coefficients. So the method naturally accounts for polarity, hydrogen bonding, and molecular size effects. So let me show you that how this COSMO-RS interface looks like. This is actually the interface. So if you add the COSMO-RS compound through DFT calculation, we can go to this COSMO-RS in SCM. Once we press this, it will open up to this level. So we can point out, we can add it to list of added compounds with multiple forms, and you can select compounds from COSMO-RS database. Let me close this and show you that how we can start the session. So I'm not focusing on any calculations, just to show that what are the major inputs which we can perform here. So as I said earlier, the sigma profile, we can focus on activity coefficients like solvent optimization properties, activity coefficient, partition coefficient, solubility in pure solvents, mixture, then solvent optimization, the analysis, that sigma profile for pure compounds, then potential mixture. So one of the major strengths of COSMO-RS is in AMS is its broad applicability across chemistry and material science. It is widely used for solvent screening, solubility prediction, electrolyte and ionic liquid studies, pharmaceutical formulation, and catalysis related solvent effects. Because it is rooted in quantum chemistry, COSMO-RS is particularly valuable for systems where the experimental data are scarce or difficult to obtain. So within AMS, COSMO-RS is tightly integrated with the GUI. So this is actually the GUI and scripting workflows, making it user-friendly for both exploratory and high-throughput studies. So the predefined solvent databases, visualization of sigma profiles and sigma potentials, and direct coupling of ADF calculations streamline the process for the users in working at the interface of molecular modeling and material designs. So COSMO-RS offers a reliable and computationally efficient route to connect electronic structure with the real-world thermodynamic behavior. So this is actually a general overview about this calculation. This COSMO-RS module. So in the next videos, we will be focusing on broad methodologies that how it can perform various calculations in how we can define and visualize various results, and how we can integrate the GUI for various calculations. So we will be using it to interface the molecular modeling and material design using COSMO-RS, which offers a reliable and computationally efficient tool, as I said earlier, to connect electronic structure and real-world thermodynamic behavior. So right now I'm just winding up, and in the next videos we will be focusing on more applications of COSMO-RS. Thank you.